So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload content onto your Amazon storefront by just using the Amazon app on your phone. This will be so much easier and sometimes a lot faster than uploading onto your desktop, okay? So what I'm going to do first is come right into my phone and pull up the Amazon app. For this to actually work out, you need to be logged into the Amazon account that's connected with your influencer account, okay? And Amazon does have two separate apps, the normal Amazon app and also an Amazon business account app. Make sure it's the normal Amazon app. So once we pulled up the Amazon app, we can see here at the bottom this little person figurine icon. I'm going to go here, scroll down, and then you should see Amazon influencers right in the middle of the screen. So I can access Creator Central here, I can access my storefront, and I can also create content. First, let's look at Creator Central. It's pretty awesome because we have the create content button here at the top. If I want to, I can see my total earnings for the month. Also, what I like the most is I can see top products that are performing well for me personally. So that's really cool. Or I can look at categories. I think this information is honestly really interesting. I kind of like to geek out of it a little bit too much. I can also scroll down, see content ideas. There's Creator University. Awesome. I can click on the reporting tab, how I've been doing. I can look at a menu here, access my storefront, and also there's a learning part here as well. And I can access Creator University, other things. So let's go back to the home button and I'm going to click create content. Okay. So I'm going to upload a video, but you can do lots of different things, especially a live video with your phone. So I'm going to post a video of a review that I just did. So I'm going to open up my photo library and click that video. Done. And it's going to upload. This will take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. It just depends on how long the video is. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copy. Now, once it's uploaded, I need to tag the product. This can be a little bit hard on your phone sometimes, but hopefully you have it handy or you've looked it up recently on the app, and I have. So I'm going to go to Browse History, and it's right here. I'm going to click Add Product. Done. As it's uploading, I'm going to create a title. My honest thoughts on this cool photo album. Okay, good enough. And as it's uploading, I could edit my thumbnail. I can create a custom thumbnail on my Canva app, and I'll show you how to do that in a separate video. But that's actually pretty cool, especially since if you do it on the Canva app on your phone, the sizing comes out perfectly, and you can actually link your Amazon storefront to your Canva account. And so essentially you could upload content directly from Canva, which is pretty sweet. I'll include a link to learning how to do that down below this video. But we're going to wait for this to upload fully. Okay, so my video has uploaded. It is good to go. I'm going to press save and submit. Now I can actually get my link if I want to. Copy link and share it wherever I want to, if I want to share it on a social media channel or whatever the case may be. But that is how you upload content onto your Amazon storefront using your mobile app. But that is it. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if this has helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.